Hello, what's going on, everybody? I'm Slim Scribe, and I'm going to be showing you a video on something that I had an issue with on my computer with my Xbox controller connecting and staying connected. And I have not been able to find a guide online anywhere or any Reddit threads or nothing that can help me with this issue. So today I'm going to bring you a video that could potentially help you with a problem that I've been having. That being said, I'm going to explain the issue that I've been having just so you can kind of understand it. So I will plug in a new Xbox controller to my PC and I will start using it and it'll brick after the first time. I'll turn off my computer, come back to it another day, and next thing I know, none of my controls work. I've been looking everywhere, high and low, trying to figure out what the issue is on my computer, and I just have not been able to come up with anything. But I did notice that there are two settings in Steam when I'm looking at it, where I got the X input controller and the Xbox One controller. So I started looking around and trying to just figure out where I'm going wrong or what is happening with this. And I found out that one of the drivers that is pre-installed on every Xbox One controller has started taking over, which enables it to have two different controls. So if you see the X input and you see the Xbox One controller, that means you have a problem and that X input is going to take over. And just to give you a brief little example, I'm going to pull up some Grand Theft Auto here, and then I'm going to start fiddling with my controller. And after the first button push, my controller just completely dies. Nothing works. I can't do anything with it. It won't play most games on my computer all of a sudden. It worked just fine before when I first plugged this controller in, but if I uninstall it or take it out or put it back in, it just stops working after a minute in most of the games that I play. So after a lot of searching, I decided to go look at the device manager and just see what was happening. And I discovered that it had an Xbox 360 controller input, and I decided to go in and just try disabling it to see what would happen. So I disabled it, and then I restarted my computer. So now that my computer is restarted, I'm going to go into my device manager and show you that the input for the Xbox 360 controller has completely been disabled. Now I can fire Grand Theft Auto back up and show you everything works as it should. I can hit the thumbstick, move anywhere on the menu, and I can even hit the buttons, and they all work properly. Again, this is an issue I've had plaguing me for over a year now. I hope if you've been dealing with this issue, this can relieve some of the frustration of feeling like your Xbox controllers are bricked. I really hope this helped you out, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you come back to my channel to check out any of my live streams or my videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.